Done like a basic white eyeliner. Sorry if please let me know. I'm going out to meet. Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you have read in the title below, today I'm going to be doing this get ready with me. I really thought कि dress भी मैं आपके साथ ही decide करूँगी कि मैं क्या पहनूँ, but I've decided that I'm going to be wearing this very basic green, light green sort of top which has these pearl detailing full hand में दोनों तरफ. I absolutely love it, looks super cute. So I am going out to meet a very good friend of mine. So I thought कि I'm going to be doing this get ready with me. I have a lot of time today. It's 3:30, 5:30 आसपास मुझे जाना है. So almost 2 घंटे तो आराम से है. So I thought I'll sit down, I'll shoot this video and yeah, I'm going to be doing my makeup. Also I've thought कि I'm going to be doing a very एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेकअप, समथिंग दैट आई डू नॉट डू ऑन एनी डे. स्पेशली अगर मुझे बाहर जाना हो तो मैं बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करती हूँ. आई कीप इट वेरी बेसिक. आई अप्लाई नो आई शैडो एनीथिंग. बट आज आई एम गोना गो ऑल ओवर एंड अप्लाई माई आई शैडो एंड डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. इफ इट लुक्स गुड वी आर गोना गो लाइक दैट. इफ नॉट then I'm going to remove everything and let's see what I'm going to do. So let's begin with the makeup. First things first, of course, I'm going to put my hair back. Now I'm thinking that this should also be the hairstyle of the day because I have these pearl detailing. I think this hairband will go perfectly with it. Let's see, that is something to be decided at the last. Let's begin with the makeup. I'm super excited. Okay, so first thing is I'm going to be taking this Zudio ka sunscreen wipes. I have done a detailed shots इसमें, you can check that out. Just to kind of, you know, skin को जगाने के लिए थोड़ा सा क्लीन अप भी हो जाएगा इससे अच्छे से एंड सनस्क्रीन एप्लीकेशन भी हो जाएगा. दैट्स डन एंड नाउ वी आर गोना स्टार्ट विथ द मेकअप. सबसे पहले माय मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड स्नेल म्यूसिन थोड़ा से ही हम लगाएंगे बिकॉज आई एम गोना बी ऑल्सो अप्लाइंग मॉइस्चराइजर, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ निविया मॉइस्चराइजर. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड कि लुक कैसे टर्न आउट होगा. नाउ आई हैव डन माई स्किन केयर प्री मेकअप, सो आई एम गोना लेट इट सिट फॉर अ वाइल लाइक 2-3 सेकेंड्स. थोड़ी देर रुक जाएंगे ताकि सब कुछ एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए एंड उसके बाद we'll be starting with our makeup. Okay, so let's begin with the makeup. I have this Blue Heaven HD all-in-one makeup stick. This one. This is in the shade Honey 301. The other day someone commented on my photo asking the shade name. So it is Honey 301. You can get it. It's really good. You can conceal. You can apply it everywhere on your skin. You don't need any other product. ये काफ़ी अच्छा से सब कुछ कवर अप भी करता है. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Like you can see, बहुत थोड़ा सा I'm gonna apply under eyes में on my neck. I literally use this almost every day. कुछ नहीं तो अंडर आइज के लिए तो I use it. My favorite brush from Simba Lifestyle and I'm just gonna blend it. Also, how is your year going? Like literally we have passed by the first 6 months of the year. It's August and like July just went by and first 6 months आपका कैसा जा रहा है? Please let me know. And मेरा talking about my first 6 months, I'll say it was good. It was good. Starting was really very good. I was in Bangalore starting में, so that was woohoo. It was really good. And after that it's going pretty good. Touch wood, grateful for a lot of things, a lot of people in my life. And but I think I have more hopes from the second half of the year because that looks more colorful. We have a lot of festivals coming up. Something that we wait for every year is our Ganesh Puja, so that's coming up. So वो सब चीज़ों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ और ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो हाई नहीं रखना चाहिए. बट टच वुड होपिंग फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स to come true, and whenever that happens I'm definitely gonna let you know through YouTube, career wise. And yeah, so that's that. So yeah, first 6 months went. I just hope कि आप लोगों का भी साल अच्छा जा रहा हो. We all are healthy. That's something that is topmost priority in life. That should be the topmost priority in life. And our parents are healthy. So yeah. Okay, so I've blended सब कुछ अच्छे से. Now I'm gonna be applying concealer today just to kind of under eyes को थोड़ा और lighten up करने के लिए. I'm using this Swiss Beauty वाला in the shade 04 medium beige. Something that I've realized कि मैं videos में shade बोलना भूल जाती हूँ. So if you are somewhere near to my shade, of course, telling you the exact shade name will help you to purchase it. So sorry if you know I have sometimes forgotten to do that. You can comment down. मैं ज़रूर आपको बता दूँगी. आज जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, just applied this much. I'm quickly gonna blend it. I have used and I know that Pack brushes, Pack company के brushes are amazing. I have used it in the past, but equally are amazing are these Simba Lifestyle के brushes. They come in a set of 6, 12, something like that. I have the 12 set one. It's so good. Like all of them are like multi-using. ये eyeshadow brush है जो अभी I'm using, but I use it to you know, blend my eye under eyes concealer as well. So that's really good. Blended everything अच्छे से. I'm kind of little bit confused कि पहले eye makeup करूँ या बाकी face makeup करूँ. I think I should do my eye makeup, right? Because if it doesn't look good, then I can just remove that and continue with my makeup. Yeah, पहले eye makeup करते हैं. I've never done eye makeup first. I always complete my face and start with the eye. But let's do it. Also, small tip: if you do not have a eyelid primer, there is something called as eyelid primer. But अगर आपके पास भी नहीं है, तो आई शेडो लगाने के बाद अपने आई शेडो लगाने के पहले अपने आईलिड को कंसीलर से अच्छे से रेडी कर ले. लाइक प्राइमर जैसा आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. विच रिमाइंड्स मी, आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड माई फेस प्राइमर टुडे, बट ओके. एनीवेज, मेकअप शुरू करते हैं. वाइट आई लुक कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो, थंबनेल में आपने देख लिया होगा ऑफ कोर्स. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस वाइट आईलाइनर जो मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से रखा हुआ है. आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर ये क्या ब्रांड के, रेवोल्यूशन इज रिटन. आई एम गोना फाइंड द लिंक एंड प्लेस इट इन द description box. This I have used just once, so I am not pretty sure कि कितना अच्छा है ये, but anyhow, let's see, let's work with it now. Basics like white eyeliner बनाएंगे first. Done like a basic white eyeliner which looks really good, but the taking a little less puffy brush like this, take up this brown shade मेरे makeup जो eye kit है उसमें. I'm gonna take it, remove the excess, take it, remove the excess, and then apply करेंगे eyelid में. Very careful because I've done the white eyeliner. The main makeup that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this white glitter shade that I have in this eye palette, and with the help of my fingers I'm going to slowly take it. Look how pretty is this shade, and I'm going to place it on my eyelid बहुत carefully. It's capturing on the camera, but it's a very smooth white glitter. ऐसे बहुत आँख में लगने वाला नहीं है. So real में it's looking very pretty. Like I want to leave it here, but that's not the look. I'm gonna do something more. Let's see. I'm gonna take the white eyeliner and create a line ऊपर से. What do you have to say about this look? It's looking very pretty actually. I am back, guys, and in love with how my eye looks. I think this is the best look, especially for Christmas. If you wear like a nice red dress with this eye look, it's gonna look so pretty. Like look at the glitter, look at that. I'm so glad I did it. I love it, but I think I'm thinking to change my dress now. I want to wear a nice red dress, but I think today is not the day to do that. But anyhow, this is what my eye looks like. Big thumbs up. Love it, love it, love it. I am thinking to do eyeliner के साथ नीचे भी white eyeline. I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm a bit confused about that. Should I try? Okay, let's try. नहीं हुआ तो we will remove it. That's it. My Stays mascara. That's it. That's how it's looking. Very pretty. Now I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. We're gonna move ahead with our makeup. I'm gonna be using this bronzer. This one. Very nice shade. Like, look at that shade. Gonna take the same brush. That's it. Now I am gonna apply my very favorite Pixie on the go blush. And because I've done so much of eye makeup, I think I need a little bit more shine. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline's most trusted Master Chrome highlighter just on the high points of my face. I'm going to do it with my fingers. Very little here, little bit here, and a little bit here. That's it. Kajal जैसे इसको लगाना, I don't know if I've done right or not. But yeah, I think it looks complete and pretty also. I'm a bit confused, but okay. We're gonna go with it today, right? Now, lips ke liye I want something very nude because I want the eye to do the talking today. So I have a lot of my nude favorites here. So let's see what I can create. सबसे पहले I'm gonna put this Swiss Beauty का what is this shade? This is Hazelnut 203 Hazelnut. के बाद I'm gonna put Lakme 925 blush velvet. This Lakme 925, this shade. Okay, so you have seen this is what the eye look looks like. Honestly, I love it, love it, love it. So pretty, so glam yet subtle, very nice. And I think it's gonna look more better with a red dress. I don't know why, on a Christmas night is what I feel. I'm not very much sure about the lip shade. Might as well I'll change to my basic brown shade जो मैं रोज लगाती हूँ. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this, but the eye look, love it. I loved it. आप लोगों को कैसा लगा ज़रूर let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to read it. And yes, I hope कि आपको ये candid yet real get ready with me अच्छा लगा. Also one more point, I'm not very sure जो under eye में I've applied वो जा रहा है कि नहीं look में. Of course, it's kind of completing the eye look, but it's also making my eye look bigger than it is actually. So yes, this is how the overall makeup has turned out to be. प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए आपको कैसा लगा. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड शावर और योर लव. मेरे वीडियोज़ में और भी बहुत मेरे चैनल में और भी बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ है. प्लीज़ जाइए, मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉच एंड yes, I'll super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.